Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off online on the TradingView. So first you just need to open your TradingView application, then tap on the three dot button here, three line button here at the bottom right corner, and then you will find your profile information here. So you just need to tap on your profile, and from here you can see my status is now online here. So let me show you. Here it is. So if I want to turn off this online status from my account, so I just need to tap on this pencil like at the top right corner. Here it is, top right corner. Now tap on it, and from here at the bottom you will find this show my online status. So if you toggle this off, then it will turn off online on TradingView. So that's how you can just simply do it. You just need to tap on this correct icon, and here you can see the online status is just disappeared. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.